welcome to Syrian Eat.
Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade yogurt. We're going to need 1 gallon of whole milk and some Chobani plain yogurt. Pour our whole gallon of milk into a pot here. We're going to put it on medium heat and we're going to let it come up to just a really low boil. You don't really have to boil it, but we just want to heat it up. So after it's reached a boil, this is what it's going to look like. Just a little bubbly and just a little top like that. Go ahead and pour it into a plastic bowl, and I'm going to let it cool for a little bit, and then I'm going to show you what the right temperature is. I have a thermometer here that I am measuring the temperature of the milk. You want the milk to be anywhere between 120 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the old-fashioned way, the way my mom taught me, was you stick your pinky in the milk, and if you can count to 10 really fast, and you can handle the temperature, that means the temperature is good. But I just want to be specific since I'm showing you guys how to make homemade yogurt. So mine is around 122 degrees. And what we're going to do next is we're going to add yogurt to our milk. So you need yogurt to make yogurt. And then we are going to cover it with a plate and cover it up with a blanket. And then we're going to leave it overnight. Here's our Chobani yogurt here. And I'm going to add a little milk to it, and I'm going to mix it up just so we can kind of get that milk mixed in the yogurt before I just pour it in. Okay, so I am mixing it up just like this after I added the milk. Just kind of water down the yogurt. Okay, and then we're gonna pour our yogurt into our milk. Pour our yogurt into our milk. Make sure you get all the yogurt. And then we're gonna mix it up just like this. And that's it. Now we're going to cover it. It's 10:20 here right now. And I'm going to make this, and then I'm not going to put it in the fridge till the afternoon tomorrow. And it'll be fine out. And it's about 74 degrees in my house. I'm covering it with my pizza pan because both of my large plates broke, and I don't have a large plate to cover it up right now. So this is going to do today. And then I'm going to cover it up. I literally covered it up with a blanket. We want it to stay warm because that's how the yogurt forms. And I'm just going to leave it till the next day tomorrow, and then I'll show you how it looks.
Whenever it's ready the next day, we're going to put it in our refrigerator. We're going to refrigerate at least 12 hours before we are able to use it, and then enjoy.